Can you connect Gohighlevel to Zapier? Well, if you go to Zapier and then you try to search for Gohighlevel, you can't find it because it's not available. So you cannot actually connect Gohighlevel to Zapier directly from Zapier. So you're gonna have to use a different app which is called Enroll where, and then you're gonna have to simply use this one here to be able to connect Zapier with Gohighlevel. So this is the only way that I found out. So as you can see here, if you go to Gohighlevel connect to Zapier, I found this post here from Zapier community, and this user here, as you can see, he recently found out that Zapier can connect to Gohighlevel with enrollware, and via webhooks you're gonna have to create webhooks, and then basically you're gonna be able to connect both of them. So as you can see, he has a workflow set up in Gohighlevel where he uploads the list of past students with new tags, which adds them in the workflow and pipelines for course renewal reminders. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.